everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the problem where Instagram keeps stopping or crashing on your phone. Follow these simple steps to get it running smoothly again. The first thing you should do is check for updates. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and if an update is available, install it. Updates often fix bugs that can cause the app to crash. Next, clear the cache or reinstall Instagram. For Android users, go to Settings, then Apps, find Instagram, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache. If the problem persists, try Clear Data. But remember that clearing data will log you out of Instagram, so make sure you know your login details. And if you are an iPhone user, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. The next step is to force stop Instagram. Go to your recent apps and swipe away Instagram to force close it. Next, restart your phone. Sometimes a quick reboot can fix app crashes. Turn off your phone and wait for a few seconds, then power it back on. If your phone's operating system is outdated, it can cause compatibility issues with Instagram. Go to your Settings, System, Software Updates, and check if there is an update available. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Instagram crashing. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!